All right, guys, we're making some really good process on the Sheriff DMC2 MINI. So I put some hours in this weekend. I can't tell you how much fun this build is. Even if this thing isn't even great, I don't care at this point because I'm loving the build. It's a lot of fun. So I just finished the Y-axis. Everything's going together really nice. And we'll soon start the Y. And like I said, this has taken me extra long because I'm filming every single bolt, every single nut. I have probably, man, I'm getting close to 10 or 12 hours of footage. And I'm going to try to make the final video less than an hour, which is going to be tough. But maybe with enough editing, I can pull it off. I don't know. I still have, you know, the pile of parts is getting much smaller. So that's very encouraging. And the hardware is about half gone. So the great thing is the instructions are really, really great. And I'm just trying to supplement the instructions with a video because some people, you know, are video type people and other people, you know, want to follow along, you know, with these instructions, which they're very detailed. So he's done a really good job. So that's a step. I'm on step 20 right now. I'm about to do that. Looks fun. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update just because it's going to be a little bit before the full build video comes out. Even if I finish this, editing 20, 30 hours down into 1 hour is going to be quite a challenge. So along the way, I decided I'll just do some updates so you can see my progress. Once again, guys, if you're interested in building one of these, there is an affiliate link in the description of this video below. Check that out. Use my link. It will help. At this point, I'm not saying whether the machine, how it performs. Only thing I can report at this point is the build is easy and it's a lot of fun. So yeah, that's my take so far. And it's solid. So I'm pumped about that. I'm also really excited about that. Look at that. Oil for every single bearing. That's something that doesn't have. Also, check this out. Covers. Also, something that doesn't have. 400 inches a minute. Yep, doesn't have it. 20,000 RPMs. Doesn't have it. So, guys, I know this is a tiny little beast, but it should be a speed demon. It should be 4 times faster than that. That's why I'm so pumped about getting this build complete.